In a landmark ruling today, the Supreme Court said colleges cannot base their admission policies on a student's race without violating the Constitution's Equal Protection Clause.
Cronkite News reporter Shelly Garzon was at the court and has details.
A divided Supreme Court said that race-based college admissions policies served a purpose in the past, but that at some point they must come to an end. That end came here today. Students for Fair Admissions sued Harvard and the University of North Carolina, claiming that their race-based admissions policies violated the 14th Amendment by favoring one race over another. In a 6-3 ruling, the court agreed. Chief Justice John Roberts wrote that while affirmative action is well-intentioned, it is a, quote, perilous remedy. Eliminating racial discrimination means eliminating all of it, he wrote. Arizona school superintendent calls that common sense reasoning.
We need to be colorblind. The college admissions should determine what people have achieved, what they know, what they can do, what is their character, not what race they were born into.
In her dissent, Justice Sonia Sotomayor said the ruling imposes, quote, a veneer of colorblindness in a society where race has always mattered and continues to matter in fact and in law. Advocates for affirmative action said Sotomayor got it right, and that there is still a need for affirmative action programs at colleges.
Access to education is one of the various tactics that systemic prejudice has been weaponized has been used or weaponized against in order to, create a playing field more in favor of those who seek to oppress other individuals.
Justice Roberts rejected that argument. He said that allowing race-based admissions to continue would be letting the courts pick winners and losers based on the color of their skin. Chief Justice John Roberts said students can still discuss how race and exposure to discrimination has shaped them, but that the Constitution, quote, does not tolerate race alone. At the Supreme Court, Shelly Garzon, Cronkite News.
The Arizona Board of Regents said in a statement today that the court's decision should not affect Arizona's public universities, which it said do not consider race in admissions.